how to use VPN on a laptop or a PC. First and the most important thing is that when you use VPN, you are safe. Your IP address is manipulated. It's like you're sitting in one country but operating your machine or device from another location or country. Some governments block access to certain websites based on your internet traffic, and you are not able to access that web page. This is when you can use VPN. It acts as an unblocker and gives you access to websites that are blocked in your country. There are many paid VPNs and there are also free VPNs. There is a Chrome extension as well that you can use it for free. Actually, there are quite a few VPN Chrome extensions like ZenMed, Hola and Betanet which are available, and you can use it as a website unblocker. It is very simple. Just go to the settings, click on the extensions, scroll down, get more extensions. You can type in Hola. There you see unlimited free VPN Hola that is available. I have already added this to Chrome. In case you have not, you will have to add this first. And now I will show you how to use this VPN Hola. For example, there's a website toonvideos.in, and you can clearly see that this website has been blocked by the Department of Telecommunications, Government of India. But you can still get access to this website through Hola extension. After you have installed the extension, just click to turn it on. You will have to wait for a few seconds till the Chrome extension has fully loaded. Now you can see it is fully loaded, and you can select the country from which you want to get the access to this website. For example, we take United States. You will have to wait for a few seconds again. It's loading, and now you can see the website has been fully loaded and you can get access through Hola. And now you can see how the VPN works. You can get access to any website that has been blocked. It acts as an unblocker for the websites.